Andla bethu viva mkhonto wesizwe viva mkhonto wesizwe viva msholozi viva. Comrades, ake ngihlale kule ndaba engiyibona i-trend, getting calls from Daily Sun, Solezwe, all social media platforms. Ngiyabona bayabhala kakhulu ngendaba kaKhehlelezi eyenzeke, I think it's on Tuesday. Maybe comrades, you need to hear from me, even though maybe I'm not supposed to do this according to my attorneys. They were told I must remain silent, but maybe it will help me in the long run. Most people have a belief yokuthi ngisejele ngiboshiwe, abanye bayangibona ngiyahamba, but still abakholwa even though bengibona ngihamba. Comrades, angiboshwanga ngaphandle ngikhona, but the incident did happen. The incident did happen. The question will be, will you plead guilty or not guilty? I will say to the magistrate, I'm not guilty, but I was driving at a higher speed. But there is a reason for me to do that. So maybe as time goes on, maybe we'll have to analyze this, because it cannot be a coincidence yokuthi manje kube nemoto okuthiwa imalapho khishwa ibhamu. Mangithi ngiyabuka ngiwazi lamadoda athola imoto there by, I think ngaseGaleria, maybe yofanele before bangicharge kodlala amakhamera ngakhona. Ngisuka ngiyabaleka strong, because I thought ngihamba ngemoto abangayazi. Ngibaleka strong, ngibaleka in such a way ukuthi mangiqhamuka ngizazi leza indawo, I think iParkring, ngithi ngibeke phansi ngigijima. Ungabona amaphoyisa, ngibona abantu abagijima bangena emgwaqweni, bayamisa ngezandla zowu2, bayamisa emgwaqweni. Oh wow, amaphoyisa. Uzubona ukuthi I did comply. Ngidlulile ngathi ngemoto, then mangifika lapha I realized no, amaphoyisa lawo. Then ngareverse because I would know, I think nalo usizo ngizoluthola. Then ngiyawatshela amaphoyisa, no guys, kunemoto engijahayo, kunabantu engingaba-understand abangikhiphela ibhamu. So ngiyacela, and by that time nabo bangakhuluma iqiniso, bengingekho kuma-senses wami ngenxa ye-panic. Ngaphanika ngithukile strong. Ngithi ngiyacela, and basho ukuthi bane-attitude ngendlela benza ngakhona. Ngathi guys, ngiyacela seni e-police station, it's not safe. Khuluma ngaleso sikhathi ngiyahamba, baqoqa umshini bathi okay, sizoqoqa umshini asambeni sonke. Bathi wazoyehla uzokona ispeed. No, asikho isikhathi se-speed manje. Ngiyacela sambeni nizongikhombisa e-police station. Suke shaya imoto, bangilandele bahamba kancane. Mangifika lapha na-police station, I think it's Ibadini if I'm not mistaken. Mangifika le police station kunyama, angathi noma angazi noma indlu yomuntu, angathi akubonakala amaphoyisa phandle. Ngiyabona lawo ngiyothuthula lapha le police station. Guys, PKTT disband the KZN. There are so many killings, political killings. Amaphoyisa waqhamuki police station, uyabona nje kumnyama, abakwenzeki lutho la. Best way, what do I have to do? I ran to the nearest house lomngani wami, gijima ngangena khona, savala amagate acasha lapha. Then second day nako futhi sengiyahamba, mangithi naba futhi ngifuna ukuzwa ukuthi kuphi la kuthiwa ngibaleke khona, ngoba second day abangiboni, babona imoto isidlulile. Nayi le moto ade sifuna izolo, bafonela ngaphambili bathi hayi bosimisela indiyala fika ngimisa ngibaleka ngami. Bathi hayi kuthiwa izolo ibalekile wena. So that's how anangilalanga amanga utransport banana manga kaze ngilale mina police station. Yes, icala livuliwe, ngenzela bail abameli bazowazi icala lespeed awuze udetain ulale the whole night. No, uthole 1,000 rand bail khona lapha ne-station, then ngizoya ecourt Tuesday. Maybe abantu bayeke kuma-assumptions ubamba bayeke ispeed isanombani, ngaboshwa nombani, but I have got something to explain to the magistrate, and if they were to go and play ama-cameras la engiqale khona bazobona ukuthi kwenzakaleni. So angiboni ukuthi bengaze ngirisk impilo yami ngendaba ukuthi ngisabe ispeed if besingishaya siyangishaya, but I was going to explain ukuthi why. So there was a reason. So yeah, abantu abayeke kuloku bekhuluma into engekho. Bengithi maybe ngichaze nje kancane, abafisa ukusupport abakusupport enkanto, labangafisi it's fine, we always support thina uma kunenkinga, but I think that's it. Namhlanje abantu baya full understanding kwenzakalani. Ngiyabonga.